Hi everyone, Alex here from AJK Radio. On this short video I'm going to show you what you need in order to become a online remote radio presenter with the station. In this short video I'm going to show you the kit that you're going to need before we get started. First thing you're going to need is a laptop. It can be a tablet as well. It's all web-based, so as long as you've got a decent web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer if you have to, then you're good to go. So first thing on the list, laptop, and we'll be using a Chromebook for this demonstration. Next thing you're going to need, a pair of headphones so you can hear what's going on whilst you're either doing a show live or doing a pre-record, and we'll show you both of those in forthcoming videos. Most important thing you're going to need is a microphone, and our microphone of choice at the moment is this one. The reason being it's this one is it connects to your computer by USB lead, and it also comes with a stand and also a socket to plug your headphones in as well, so you don't get any feedback when you're connected online to the studio. So that's our microphone of choice. And then finally, if you're out and about and you want to do a show from the park, for example, or the pub, we recommend a Wi-Fi dongle. And again, we'll show you how all this stuff connects together in another video. So that's your kit list: the headphones, the microphone, and a laptop. Once you've got all that stuff together, you can proceed to video number 2.